Aim. To observe the microorganisms present in rainwater or pond water under a compound microscope. Requirements/materials needed. Compound microscope, glass slides and cover slips, dropper, sample of pond water or rainwater, staining dye, optional, blotting paper. Procedure. Collect a small sample of pond water or rainwater in a clean beaker or bottle. Using a dropper, place a small drop of the water on a clean glass slide. Carefully cover it with the cover slip to avoid air bubbles. Observe the slide under low power, 10x, of the compound microscope. Then shift to high power, 40x or 100x, for a clearer view of microorganisms. Optional, add a drop of stain to enhance visibility of the cells. Observation. Various microscopic organisms such as algae, green or filamentous, protozoa, Amoeba Paramecium Euglena, bacteria or small aquatic larvae, can be seen moving or floating in the water sample. Result. The pond or rainwater contains a variety of microscopic living organisms like algae, protozoa, and bacteria that can be observed under the compound microscope. Conclusion. This experiment demonstrates that natural water sources contain diverse microscopic life forms, many of which play a vital role in aquatic ecosystems and nutrient cycling.